Dear students, today's named reaction is Diels-Alder reaction. This is addition reaction, addition of unsaturated compounds, or addition of a conjugated diene to a second unsaturated compound results the formation of a cyclic compound. So Diels-Alder reaction is nothing but addition of conjugated diene to a second unsaturated compound, which may be alkenes, alkynes, etc. unsaturated compounds results the formation of cyclic compounds. This is known as adduct. Adduct means addition product. ADDUCT. Adduct, addition product. So, in this reaction, conjugated diene must be in cis form, and the second unsaturated compound cis or trans form. Let us see one example. The general example is 1,3-butadiene. This is ethylene alkene. Another or second unsaturated compound. This is a conjugated diene. 1,3-butadiene. This is ethylene. The one-step mechanism is there. Electron shifting like this. So there is sigma bond formation between these two carbon atoms, and a sigma bond formation takes place in these two carbon atoms. And pi bond shifting like this. The reaction is carried out in the presence of inert solvents like benzene or toluene, and also at temperature. It may be 125 degrees centigrade, 225 degrees centigrade. The temperature is necessary. The reaction takes place in the presence of heat or in the presence of inert solvents like benzene and toluene. Now we get 6-membered cyclic compound. This is 6-membered cyclic compound. Pi bond shifting like this. So here double bond formation takes place. This is known as cyclohexene. The cyclic compound addition product. Cyclohexene. So ethylene. How many pi bonds are there here? 2 pi bonds. How many pi bonds? 2 pi bonds. Or how many pi electrons? 4 pi electrons. In diene, 4 pi electrons are there. In ethylene, 2 pi electrons are there. So such type of addition is also known as 4+2 addition. 4+2 cycloaddition or cyclic addition. 4+2 cycloaddition or cyclic addition, order it may be. So Diels-Alder reaction is nothing but 4+2 cycloaddition, or conjugated diene is known as this is known as diene, and Alkene is known as dienophile. Alkene is known as dienophile. That means diene plus dienophile gives cyclic compound. In the terms of heat, react solvents like benzene or toluene. Benzene or toluene. What happens when 1,3-butadiene reacts with acetylene? Second one. 1,3-butadiene, if dienophile is acetylene, this is acetylene, CH triple bond CH. This is acetylene. This is dienophile. What happens? Cyclohexadiene. Cyclohexadiene formation takes place. 1,3-butadiene electron shifts like this. One of the pi bonds electron like this. We get cyclohexadiene. Now, this is acetylene, alkyne. Acetylene, alkyne. So, alkanes and alkynes, the second unsaturated compound, alkanes and alkynes, which are nothing but dienophiles, reacts with or addition with conjugated dienes without elimination of any compound. Cyclic compound without elimination of compounds. Without elimination of compounds. This is known as Diels-Alder reaction. So, next point is very important. The diene must be in cis form. Transform does not involve in this reaction. Let us see. This is cis form. Example 1. This is 1,3-butadiene reacts with ethylene, gives cyclohexene. This is cis 1,3-butadiene. This is a trans 1,3-butadiene plus ethylene. No reaction. There is no reaction because stable 6-membered ring or a cyclic compound is not formed in this case. So the diene must be in a cis form. Dienophile, it may be in a cis form or trans form. Cis form or trans form. So let us see one more example. If diene is in cis form and dienophile is in both cis and trans forms, what happens? Which type of addition takes place? Which type of addition products are takes place? Before that, we have to know the dienes. Which type of dienes involved? The dienes having, the dienophiles having minus M group and minus I group. or very reactive towards Diels-Alder reaction, or very reactive towards Diels-Alder reaction, towards Diels-Alder reaction. So first we have to know which type of diaphiles are there. Examples: vinyl CH2 double bond CH-CHO, minus some group is there, CHO. This is known as acryldehyde. This is known as acryldehyde. And second one is vinyl methyl ketone. Vinyl methyl ketone. Vinyl methyl ketone. The second one is vinyl methyl ketone. Next one is cinnamaldehyde. C6H5 CH double bond CH single bond CHO. This is cinnamaldehyde. Next, parabenzoquinone. This is parabenzoquinone. Parabenzoquinone. Malic anhydride. Malic anhydride. Fumaric anhydride also involved in Diels-Alder reaction, and C6H5 CH double bond CHNO2 minus M group, minus I group halogens, vinyl chloride CH2 CHCl vinyl chloride, tetrafluoroethylene CF2 double bond CF2. This is tetrafluoroethylene, etc. These are all act as dinophiles in Diels-Alder reaction. Acrylhaldehyde, vinyl methyl ketone, cinnamaldehyde, unsaturated alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, parabenzoquinone, malic anhydride, nitro compound, vinyl chloride, tetrafluoroethylene. These are dinophiles. Next, dienes may be dienes. Dienes, conjugated dienes. Butadiene, cyclopentadiene, dienes, conjugated system. Butadiene, butadiene, cyclopentadiene. Butadiene means this is butadiene. Cyclopentadiene, cyclopentadiene. This is cyclopentadiene. Anthracene, anthracene, furan, heterocyclic compound with heteroatom oxygen. This is furan. Only furan undergoes Diels-Alder reaction, but not thiophene and pyro. So furan is least aromatic than thiophene and pyro. So furan can only undergoes Diels-Alder reaction. Such type of dienes, conjugated dienes, undergoes the Diels-Alder reaction. Let us see some examples, applications. Applications. First application, cyclopentadiene vinyl chloride. Cyclopentadiene plus vinyl chloride. Cyclopentadiene plus vinyl chloride. Let us see cyclopentadiene. This is cyclopentadiene, vinyl chloride, CH2 double bond CHCl, CH2 double bond CHCl. Pi bond shift in between these two carbon atoms. Here pi bond shift between these two carbon atoms. A bicyclic compound. Bicyclic compound. Double bond is there and Cl. This is the compound. When cyclopentadiene on addition with vinyl chloride, which follows the Diels-Alder reaction, which produces a bicyclic compound. Next one, what happens when cyclopentadiene reacts with para-benzoquinone? Para-benzoquinone. Second application is when cyclopentadiene is with para-benzoquinone. Para-benzoquinone. This is diene and this is dienophile. What happens? Cyclopentadiene. This is cyclopentadiene. Cyclopentadiene, para-benzoquinone. This is para-benzoquinone. Shifting of electrons takes place. Diene and dienophile gives the adduct. Like this. This is the product formed when cyclopentadiene and parabenzoquinone undergoes Diels-Alder reaction. Third one. Furan and malic anhydride. Furan and malic anhydride. Furan and malic anhydride. Furan. This is a 5-member heterocyclic compound. This is furan. This is furan. Malic anhydride. CH double bond CH. CO. CO. O. Malic anhydride. Again, the shifting of electrons takes place. We get the conversion like this, and CH double bond CC bond formation like this, and then CO. This is the compound when formed. The adduct is formed when the furan which undergoes the Diels-Alder reaction with malic anhydride. So already discussed about the dienophile. Dienophile may be cis or trans form. What happens when cis form is reacts with cis conjugated diene and trans conjugated. What happens when the diene in the cis form reacts with the conjugated diene, and diene in trans form reacts with the conjugated cis form? So let us see. Malic acid and fumaric acid with 1,3-butadiene. The butadiene plus malic acid. This is cis form and this is also cis form. Both are cis butadiene, and malic acid is in cis form. So diene must be in cis form. Dienophile may be cis or trans form. This is malic acid. CH double bond CH COH. Shifting like this. Adduct. Such type of adduct is formed. This is known as 1,2,3,6 tetrahydrophthalic acid. Cis 1,2,3,6 tetrahydrophthalic acid. Both are cis. Second one, butadiene plus fumaric acid. Butadiene plus fumaric acid, butadiene. Diene is in cis form, fumaric acid in trans form. Fumaric acid in trans form. See. COH groups are far away from each other, opposite side. This is cis form. Same side. This is cis form, opposite side. This is trans form. So again, wait. COH, COH, COH and CO. This is a trans 1236 tetrahydrophthalic acid. Trans 1236 tetrahydrophthalic acid. Tetrahydrophthalic acid. So the diene must be in cis form. The dienophile, it may be cis or trans form. We will get addict. Or these two are important examples in or important applications in Diels-Alder reaction. This is about Diels-Alder reaction. Thank you very much.